Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerri-ellen and welcome to my channel. It is always a pleasure to see you and I do appreciate the time you take out of your day to be here. Last month I did a series from a 1950s cookbook and I shared recipes out of that. And now I'm going to do a series on another little cookbook that's sent to me by my friend Shelly in Arizona. And it is, I'm going to do a series on Campbell soup slow cooker recipes. So crockpot recipes. It's the summer and we don't want to be heating up the house, so crockpots are always nice. The recipe I'm going to do today is an orange chicken with green onion and walnuts. I will be substituting the walnuts with some pecans because I don't have any walnuts left and I forgot to pick them up on the order. It's a very quick and easy recipe, as are all crockpot recipes. And this one doesn't take very many ingredients. So I sprayed my crockpot with some cooking spray and I put in 8 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, so I'm just going to tilt you down so you can have a gander at some of the ingredients or the ingredients that we'll be using today. Cornstarch, teriyaki sauce, minced garlic, orange marmalade, these are pecans, but walnuts if you have them, and chicken broth. So I'm probably going to freeze half of this for a later date for Graham and I after it's cooked, because I'm using the full recipe today. So 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Okay, I probably should have just mixed everything in there, really, make it smoother. We want 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce. This brand that I have here is very popular in Canada, VH. 3 cloves of minced garlic. I'm just going to use 3 teaspoons. I'm back from visiting down home in Cape Breton. Oh, I'm going to put it right in here. I didn't get a lot of footage because just stuff going on there, and my father-in-law not doing, like, he's doing okay, but he's not at the same time kind of thing. So I didn't want to make anybody uncomfortable with the camera, but I did get some bits and pieces that I will be sharing with you all. Now, what do I need? I need 3/4 cup of orange marmalade. The recipe says you'll need like a 6-quart slow cooker or crock pot. And then 4 green onion slices. These are already washed. Like 4 stems of green onion sliced up. Well, I'll just put it here, it's easier for you to see. I'll probably use more at the end to garnish. But we won't be adding the walnuts until the end. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now I'm going to add this and I'm going to turn the chicken a few times just so that this should have been mixed with the chicken broth, I would think, for sure, because it says to. Alrighty. I'm probably going to save half of this and freeze it for a later date. Just coating the chicken really well and mixing everything through there really well. It doesn't say salt and pepper, but there's enough salt in my chicken broth. Now I'm going to cover this. Yeah, I'll be putting out the if I didn't already, some clips of our trip down to Cape Breton. So I'm going to turn this on. I had to add a little bit of a cornstarch slurry because I found it still a little bit thin for our liking. And you have your crock pot on high for about 4 to 5 hours, or on low for about 8 or 9 hours, till there's no pink or anything left in your chicken and it has thickened up. And I'm going to add the nuts to this and give it a stir. And I also think the cashews would be a nice flavor in this. I also cut up the chicken a bit the way that we would like it. Just pulled it apart with a fork. I'm going to scoop it over some rice and put some more green onion on it. Let's see. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's a quick and easy way to have orange chicken. And I guess it's the Campbell soup recipe because a Campbell's recipe because they used, they say in the recipe to use Swanson Campbell's chicken broth. You can eat, the amount I made, I just made a little bit of rice because it's just Graham and I. But I think you can get 8 servings, depending on if you have it seconds. I'm going to put a little bit in a bowl, but first, there you go. Pull up a chair, everyone. Have a tasty poo. Just a taste, because I'll be heating this up and eating it with Graham in a little wee bit. Cheers. I had to get changed again. It's hot out there. And I was out de-weeding. I like it. And the substitution with the pecans, I like pecans anyway, so I think it's pretty good. Not bad. This make me want to do a dessert that I sent to my friend Belinda that I've been planning on doing for a bit. And it has orange in it. I'll have to do it soon. But very tasty, very quick, very easy. And next Sunday, I'll do another recipe from that cookbook. Another Crockpot Campbell's recipe, slow cooker recipe. So I hope that you join me. I also have videos coming out before Sunday as well. I try to put up 2 videos a week, unless I'm away or something. I like to do more. I try. But I'm going to be not going on vacation for a while now. October, I think, is our next planned vacation. So I'm just going to keep rolling out videos. Maybe have some done for when I'm away in October. Anyway, peace, love, and God bless. Please come back again. Bye.